I've received a lot of shipments over the past few weeks, so let's have a look in this video and see what we got. Right, we've got a whole lot to get through, so let's jump straight right in. I'm going to leave this one till the end because it's a redemption and I haven't seen it yet myself. And yeah, I waited to make this video and then I can see it the same time as everyone else on the channel. So first up, we've got this Tops Now John Cena. I bought 5 of these. And did we get any autos, any parallels, or did we just get 5 base cards? Let's find out. So base, 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 base. Okay, all base, but I thought that was a cool card. I thought it was a bit of a weird moment. I don't really get the whole Cena, CM Punk, Cody, double champ, not the champ. I don't know, I thought it was a really cool photo, but it was a bit of a weird moment, I would say. Yeah, next onto this. So I've had this ticket for years at this point. I bought this because it's the McIntyre defeats Brock Lesnar WrestleMania ticket to the event that never happened. So yeah, I was listening to the Drew McIntyre podcast the other week, and after listening to the podcast, they were speaking about WrestleMania. I went on eBay and I seen there is a McIntyre defeats Lesnar, no fans in attendance, autograph on the ticket. So I thought that was cool. I thought I should add it to the collection and I bought it. I'll add the price here for how much I paid for it. Also as well, let me know in the comments if you prefer me to list the price for everything that I post on the videos. I think it's quite a cool addition. Yeah, let me know what you think. Because I watch Awesome House on YouTube, and yeah, he buys a lot of Asuka and Rhea Ripley cards, and I'd like to know how much they are out of interest. Yeah, I think maybe I could add that on this channel, add the prices, because yeah, I'm interested when I watch other people's videos. But this one, RVD, so I actually bought 2 of these. So these cards I bought these cards weeks ago, and yeah, it takes a long time to arrive in Dubai, but I just love this card. I love that attire that RVD has on, and I'd like to grade this in a Gem Mint 10, so I bought both. I love the attire. This is probably my favourite RVD card. I love the attire, I love the signature, I love Mr. Monday Night. It's a perfect card. So yeah, I had 2 of these arrive recently. Then this one was from a recent box break, so a Whatnot stream. Really cool card, Roman to 20. I like the Topps Finest cards. I think they are very cool. I'm excited to see this redemption. My first ever Topps redemption, so yeah, excited to see it. This one, big fan of this, so I purchased this on eBay. It's El Grande Americano, the original El Grande Americano, but it is a red uncommon parallel to 15. Stunning. I'll actually take it out here so we can see it in a bit better. It's just a stunning card. I'd like to get it graded, to be honest. Also, let me know if you'd like to see a video of... So I'm basically going to go through all of these cards and I'm going to see what ones I want to grade. But I've got a lot of cards and I'm wondering if I should record it. Would you be interested in seeing that? Just kind of going through all the cards and seeing what ones to grade. It'd probably be a really long video, but yeah, maybe some of you would be interested in that. Let me know and I will make it. I'm going to do it anyway, so it's whether I record it or not. So 3 of 5 Seth Rollins, picked that up on eBay for cheap because I do have a graded version of this with an auto as well. So I thought, why not? Then this Dirty Dom I ordered like 4 months ago, and the guy forgot to post it. So a message saying, hi, I haven't received this yet. What's going on? He says, look, I'm really sorry, I actually forgot to send it. But when it arrived the other day, he threw in this JD McDonough card as well. So yeah, I thought that was a nice gesture. So yeah, I thought that was cool. I appreciate that. So if you ever watch this video, thanks for sending that. That was really, yeah, nice touch. I'll add this to the long collection of silver WWE cards that I have. Like this Roman, I've made a video on the silver bar cards before, so if you're interested in that, check that out. Then this, pretty random. So a friend of mine, Chris Duncan, is a UFC fighter, and I told him that I'm a card collector, and yeah, he's got these these are basically custom cards, but he signed them and sent me them. He actually sent me recently that he's signed a contract with Topps, so he'll have some Topps cards coming soon as well, so I'm excited to see how they turn out. And then we got I've done a box break on the channel, so I thought I would include these in here from some of the latest pickups. Big fan of these Milos, really cool. This Gunther card was cool. And then Dirty Dom, this is coming soon. Then I don't really know what this pickup is. Let's find out. Nice RVD Select. It's really nice. RVD Select. Let me know in the comments, like, what is the best Select? I'm not a big Select guy. I don't really know. Yeah, what is the best in terms of Select? Is it black is the best? Cool cards though, nonetheless. We got a Roman, and then a Roman with red, white and blue. A Roman with orange, which is pretty cool. It's pretty sticky as well. Really sticky. Nice card though. Orange. Is that a big hit because it's orange? I don't know. Select. I should probably read into it. And then, yeah, that sticky Roman. And then we got this NXT Roman. It's a pretty cool card actually. Really cool. And it's numbered to 49. So, yeah, some cool spots in there. I won them on Whatnot, and then I'll fire through these ones before we do the redemption. So I imagine these are all just common. So Roman, Ludwig, Chelsea Green, Drew, Chelsea, Dirty Dom. Yeah, these are all commons. And then more Whatnot picks. I'm sure these are just commons. Yeah, someone gave me them for free. Thanks. And then more Whatnot spots. So we got Drew, and nice. That's cool. Drew to 99. Is it die cut? Is that what they call that? How can it be numbered? How can it be die cut but be a common at the same time? I don't really understand that. Yeah, don't understand that, but anyway. And then finally, before we get to the redemption auto, quick fire through these. We've got Rhea, Drew, Io, Fallon Henley, Roman. Should any of these Romans be in sleeves, or are they just common? And then yeah, this is ones that people just, when I win a box break on Whatnot, they just kind of send over some free cards. So yeah, that is some of the pickups recently, but let's see the redemption. I've actually got a Roman redemption on the way as well, which I'm really excited about. So that should be here within the next couple of weeks. So let's see. I thought that was 2 cards in that there. So it's 2 sleeves. Did you guess from the hair who it was? Nice. That is really cool. So I've done a box break with Chrome Sapphire, and yeah, I got an Alexa redemption. That's really cool. That is a good hit. It's not numbered, which is kinda annoying, but Red Brand Chrome Autograph Alexa Bliss 2025. Cool pickup. And yeah, that is all for today's pickups. If you're interested in seeing that video, it'll be more laid back. It won't be like this. It'll just be literally going through a bunch of cards and seeing what ones I should grade, what ones I shouldn't grade. So yeah, if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments, and subscribe if you want to see that video when it goes live. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.